Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one tool for work and play, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's cloud-based, so you can access your files from anywhere, collaborate in real time with friends or coworkers. But OneDrive lets you easily store and share files. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Microsoft 365.com. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Microsoft 365.com. Then you'll find here the home page and you have just to click over sign in and you'll find this page. You have just to click over create one and you'll find other page which is this one. You have just to add your email address and you click over next and you will just here verify your email address and then you will go to your Gmail and you get started. So it's really easy. You have just to click over the email that you receive and then you have to add your password and confirm the password and you create your account and you will find here this page as you can see. First, let's know what is Microsoft. Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based platform with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents from anywhere, fitting statistics across devices, so you are always up to date. It's perfect for work, school, or personal projects as well. Alright, so we have the platform how it looks. Right now you have just to click over here and at the top left you will find here various things that provide this platform such as Microsoft 365. Once you click over here you will find here these platforms and we have here the things that we already have here, for example book 8, presentation 8, document 8 and the thing that we scroll or we used to. Alright, so here we have Outlook as well, OneDrive, Clipchamp, Designer, Word, Excel. So it's very good for this platform because it provides various things. If it's a document, so working in internet, it's related to this one. For example, if you want a document, presentations, if you want to present something such as sub presentation, workbook for Excel to use here for business, for your business, form for forms, and the forms for quiz again. And we have lists for lists, to-do lists, and we have also here design for designer if you want to design your template, and also use it for marketing. And we have here video as well if you want to create a video using this one on your social media, and we have also Sway. So this platform provide various things in one website, which is Microsoft365.com. So you have just to get started with this one because it's very helpful to use it. Right now let's just here click over create and then you will find here these platforms. So let's just discover in one by one. For example, let's discover in Word and above you will find here it's for document. As you can see, PowerPoint is for presentation. If you don't know the name, you just to select here, for example Excel. I will search for example the video, and if you have video I will just select this one and it's Clipchamp. Right, so we have the Word and right now we have just to add the words of course, and you start here from the scratch if you want, or you can just paste it from here if you already copy it from anywhere. And also we have, if you want to here start with this one, if you need for example resume, if you want something that related to a letter, cover letter, then we have one related to general, to-do list, report, note taking, or we have also here journal, invoice, article as well. And that's it for this one right now. All you have to do is just starting from scratch or choosing one of this one and you start modifying it and you click over share once you're done, or you can just keep it to yourself. Right, so this is for Word, and right now let's move on to PowerPoint. It's for presentation. Once you click over here you will find other page, which is this one, and it's PowerPoint right now. And you have just right now to click over here to add a title, click to add subtitle, and right now I will just here add page as you can see in the left. And also we have here other options that could help you. For example in the right you'll find here for example this one, if you want to get started and you design, for example you think this one is better for you, so you just to click over it and you'll find it here and you start modify whatever you want. If you want to research, you click over here and you research for the pictures, and we have also seen more design ideas, and we have also your file, home, insert, and other things that could help you. Again, for example insert, you will find here new slide, text box. If you want to for example table, about table, you will find it here like that, and how much table that you want, and then you will select here the table. Here we have it. You can just put it in here, you can modify the size as well, and that's it for designing. Also, we have design here, transitions, animations, slideshow, review, we have view, help, and we have shape. So it's very helpful and useful to use this platform, which is presentation. It's for PowerPoint, by the way. So this website, it's related to yourself, whatever you want. For example, if you want a word, if you want a presentation, if you want a workbook, so that's depending on yourself and what the thing that you want. For example, today I want to design, tomorrow I want to present something, and after I want to create a document, and after I want to add in something in Excel or workbook. So it's dependent on yourself, and you will find this in one platform that's very helpful to use, or that's very useful to use this one, right? So if you want, for example, document, you click over it and you start with that from scratch, or you start by choosing one of these templates that provide this platform, and then you get started. So if you want also to explain more for each one, you have just to click over here. Sorry, you have just to ask in the comment section below, and I will choose here one of this and I will explain it in the next video. So you have just to ask us for a specific one that you want to explain more. If you want Excel, you have just to type it down and I will show you that and explain it more and more and deeply in the next video. So right now let's just here discover Excel by clicking over here, and you will find Excel like that. And about this one, you find here the schedule. You have just to, for example, add something here. I will add, for example, name, and I will make it bold as well. And then I will go to the next one. For example, I will add here marks, and also I will make it bold because it's a title, like it's a title. And also we have this one. I will add, for example, observation. As you can see, observation. Then I will just click over here and I will make it bold because it's a title. And I will add here mark, for example, for this one. I will add John. I will add also here, for example, Andrew. And right now I will just here add marks. For example, about this one, he get 99, he get 98, 97. So as you can see, I have good students, smart students, and a disciplined students because he get 99, 98, 97. So this is what teachers wish, and I get it. So right now I will just add observation, by the way. So let's just add in, for example, good here. Or for example, I will just here add excellent because all here excellent. Then I will add here code job, and I will add here smart student. Then right now that's it for this one. Right now let's just click over share and the top right, and you will share your template, or you can just keep it yourself. And also we have your design video for, so if you want more details, you have just to type it down in the comments section below and it will explain you each one you want, and you have just to select it. Right, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.